You will chant after me. Atha Saptamodhyayah. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Maya Saktamanah Partha. Maya Saktamanah Partha. Yogain Yunjan Madashrayah. Yogain Yunjan Madashrayah. Asamshayam Samagram Mam. Asamsayam Samagram Mam. Yathagnasyasi Tachruno. Yathagnasyasi Tachruno. Actually, Tat Srunu, there is one Paniniya Sutra called Shaschoti. This is the sutra name. By that, Shakara becomes Chakara. Various process is there. So Tat becomes Tach. And Shrunu becomes Shrunu. Okay. So together, Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Saktamanah Partha Yogain Yunjan Madashrayah Asanshayam Samagram Mam Yathagnasyasi Tachruno. So you can ask me that when you first chanted, in second line, third quarter, Asam Shayam Samagram Mam. But when I chanted together, I chanted Asam Shayam Samagram Mam. So this is only because, you know, at the time of teaching, we can't chant the actuality. And second thing is, instead of Anuswara, if you chant Makara, it is absolutely right. Okay. So actual pronunciation is Asam Shayam Samagram Mam. Clear? So 7th chapter is going on. Anuradha Amma and Jyoti, I'm telling you that it's 7th chapter is going on, first sloka.
Hari Om Swamiji, thank you.
Yes. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Saptamodhyayah Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Maya Saktamanah Partha Yogain Yunja. See, Yogain, because Ya is there after Anushvara. Yogam Yunjan. Anuradha Amma and Jyoti Varma, can you switch on your video, please? Because I see your lips. So in that, I can correct you.
Sir,
So
right now, not possible.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
For whom it's not possible, don't do. But others, just do. Maya. But if you have any sorts of problem in chanting, in understanding, you should ask me. Okay. Maya Saktamanah Partha Yogain Yunjan Madashrayah असंशयं समग्रं मां यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु. Now second one is very important. Okay, please mark it for life. Jnanam teham savijnanam. Please split it. Savijnanam. Ma halanta, then split it. Idam. Idam vakshyamya sheshataha. Idam vakshyamya sheshataha. Jnananteham savijnanam. Idam vakshyamya sheshataha. Yajñatva neha bhuyonyat. In your book, whatever it is written, it is correct. But whenever we will split, we have to split in correct sandhi. Yajñatva neha bhuyonyat. Ta. Instead of ja, you please split it anyat. Then jnatavyam avashishyate. Jyotiji, in this way you will learn. I told you that as you are coming in here joining new, so some chanting techniques are there. What I have explained everything else in previously, but now I just show you, all of you, the actuality of the pronunciation. If anyone has forgotten the rules, if anyone has doubt in the chanting, you are free to ask me that Swamiji, or why you have chanted like this. You can ask me. So, second one. Jnanam teham savijnanam idam vakshyamya sheshataha yajñatva neha bhuyonyat jnatavyam avashishyate. Once more. Jnananteham savijnanam idam vakshyamya sheshataha yajñatva neha bhuyonyat jnatavyam avashishyate. Clear? Okay. Third one. Manush. Third one is also very important. The first one, first line is very important. This is a caution by the Bhagavan. Okay. Manushyana sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye. Manushyana sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye. Yatatam api siddhanam kaschin mau vetti tattvataha. Yatatam api siddhanam kaschin mau vetti tattvataha. Together. Manushyana sahasreshu kaschit yatati siddhaye. Yatatam api siddhanam Kaschinma vetti tattvataha. That whoever else in the spiritual path among the whole human being, it's very less. Among them, only a few gets the siddhi. And among the siddhas, very few people come to know me. Because we start practicing by our own what we like to do. We start spiritual practice in like that way. We don't get the proper acharya or guru who will guide us to the truth. Who is a proper guru? It's a big question. The answer is who is having the parampara, who has learned under a tradition, under a great lineage. That is the parampara. So he is the right guru because we have no power to justify who is a guru and who is not. But in that case, if anyone is teaching by getting order from someone else and who is under the great lineage of Guru Parampara, he is my guru. So without proper guru, the spiritual seekers maximum times get distracted from the path. That is why Bhagavan is telling Manushyanam Sahasreshu Kasyit Yatati Siddhaye Yatatam Api Siddhanam Kasyinmao Vetti Tattvataha. Clear? Together. Manushyana Sahasreshu Kasyit Yatati Siddhaye Yatatam Api Siddhanam Kaschinmao vetti tattvataha. Now the fourth one is another important slokas. Okay. Please mark it as important. Bhumi rapo nalo vayuhu. Bhumi rapo nalo vayuhu. That avagraha sign means no such pronunciation of avagraha, that is sign. The previous vowel pronunciation will be prolonged. Bhumi rapo nalo vayuhu kham mano buddhi revacha. Kham mano buddhi revacha ahankara iti amme. Ahankara iti amme bhinna prakriti rashtadha. Bhinna prakriti rashtadha. Nikita, will it be bhinna prakriti or bhinna prakriti? Which is correct pronunciation?
Bhinna Prakriti, because we have Dirgha, Na is Badi Matra.
Good. Thank you. Thank you. So together, Bhumi rapo nalo vayuhu kham mano buddhi revacha ahankara iti amme bhinna prakriti rashtadha. Clear? Now, fifth one, another important sloka. Okay. It will go till 7th sloka. Apareyam, apareya mitastvanyam, apareya mitastvanyam. Don't break it, huh? Just for learning sake, I am breaking. It's a samastapadi shabda. Together words. Apareya mitastvanyam. Prakritim, prakritim, vidhi me param. Prakritim, vidhi me param. Jiva bhutam mahabaho. Jiva bhutam mahabaho. Yaedam dharyate jagat. Yaedam dharyate jagat. Together. Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param. Jiva bhutam mahabaho. Yaedam dharyate jagat. Yae. So, yaedan dhat, because ta tha da dha na. That Anuswara, after Anuswara, dha is there, and dha's nasal letter is na. Ta tha da dha na. So, yaedan dharyate jagat. Clear? Together. Apareyamitastvanyam prakritim vidhi me param. Jiva bhutam mahabaho. Yaedam dharyate jagat. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Thank you. The 6th one. This is also very important sloka. Okay. Etad yonini bhutani. Etad yonini bhutani. Sarvani tyupadharaya. Sarvani tyupadharaya. Ahang kritsnasya jagataha. Ahang kritsnasya jagataha. Prabhava pralayastatha. Prabhava pralayastatha. Etad yonini bhutani. Sarvani tyupadharaya. Ahang kritsnasya jagataha. Prabhava pralayastatha. Once more. Etad yonini bhutani. Sarvani tyupadharaya. Ahang kritsnasya jagataha. Prabhava pralayastatha. 7th one is also very, very important. Mattaf parataram nanyat. Mattaf parataram nanyat. Kinchidasti dhananjaya. So you have to split it. Nanyat, split it. then kinchidasti dhananjaya. Then only you can fit into anushtup chanda. Matyaf parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya. Mai sarvamidam protam. Mai sarvamidam protam. Sutre manigana iva. Sutre manigana iva. In Upanishad, we will get the same idea. Bhagavan has taken that idea that otascha protascha. What is Bhagavan? Bhagavan is Brahman alone. How he is pervaded? It is pervaded in everything. As Sutre Manigana iva. Suppose this is the Rudraksha. But how that those beads are together? Because Sutra, the thread is inside there. So Bhagavan is interwoven. Okay. Bhagavan is telling like that. It's a very important sloka. Mattaf parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidam protam sutre manigana iva. Once more. Mattaf parataram nanyat kinchidasti dhananjaya mai sarvamidam protam sutre manigana iva. Then that 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th sloka, you will get the same idea in 9th chapter from 16th sloka. Okay, you can mark it. Okay, 8th sloka. Rasoham apsu kaunteya. Rasoham apsu kaunteya. You can chant technically Rasoham apsu kaunteya or Rasoham apsu kaunteya, which is convenient for you, you can chant. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi suryayoho. Prabhasmi shashi suryayoho. Pranavas sarva vedeshu. Pranavas. Visarga will take the pronunciation of Sakara. Saraswati Sakara. Dantasa. Pranavas sarva vedeshu. Savdah. Shabdah. Ke paurusham rishu. As after Visarga, Kha is there, the Visarga's pronunciation will not like Kha. It is called Jehovah Molyam. If something else strike in my throat, how we react? The pronunciation of Jehovah Molyam is like that. Please follow my pronunciation. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi suryayoho pranavas sarva vedeshu shabdah ke paurusham rishu. Clear? Shabdah ke paurusham rishu. Clear? Together once more. Rasoham apsu kaunteya prabhasmi shashi suryayoho pranavas sarva vedeshu Shabdah ke paurusham nrishu. Clear? Anyone has any doubt? Thank you. Punyo gandhah prithivyam cha. Punyo gandhah prithivyam cha. Tejaschasmi vibhavasau. Tejaschasmi vibhavasau. Jivanam sarvabhuteshu. Jivanam sarvabhuteshu. Tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Together. Punyo gandhah prithivyamcha. Tejaschasmi vibhavasau. Here you have noticed it or not, I don't know. Punyo gandhah prithivyamcha. Because cha is cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. The Anushwara's pronunciation will be like nya. Okay. Punyo gandhah prithivyamcha. Tejaschasmi vibhavasau. Jivanam sarvabhuteshu. Tapaschasmi tapasvishu. Once more. Okay. Anyone has any doubt? Thank you. Now, 10th sloka. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam. Vidhi partha sanatanam. Vidhi partha sanatanam. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi. Tejas tejasvinamaham. Tejas tejasvinamaham. Together. Bijam mam sarvabhutanam. Vidhi partha sanatanam. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi. Tejas tejasvinamaham. Once more. Anyone has any doubt? Bijam mam sarvabhutanam. Vidhi partha sanatanam. Buddhir buddhimatamasmi. Tejas tejasvinamaham. Clear? Now we will practice. From Jayasri Amma, it will be starting. Please unmute yourself. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha to first sloka.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Saptamodhyayah. Shri Bhagavanuvacha. Maya Saktamanah Partha. Yogam Yunjanmadashrayah. Asamshayam samagram mam. Yatha gyasyasi takshinu.
Once more, the fourth quarter. Yatha.
Yatha gyasyasi takshinu.
tat shrunu, tat shrunu.
Takshrunu.
Not shakara. It's cha and cha, both
Cha.
will come.
Tak-
Tat,
taksh-
tat shrunu.
Takshrunu.
Yes, thank you. And that Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha, there is a special tune. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. This is the style, okay? Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Clear? You can give any sign.
Paramatmane Namaha.
Yes. Thank you. Rakshamma. Jayasri Amma, please mute yourself.
Om.
No,
शुरू
second.
करूं स्वामी?
Second.
अच्छा, सेकंड. ज्ञानन्तेऽहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्येमवशिष्यते.
Wonderful. You have chanted. Some mistakes are there. I will try to correct it. Okay. Like jnanam, teham savijnanam, idam. Because your pronunciation is wonderful. So I am just giving you the instruction to be minute in special thing. Idam. Can you chant with me after me?
हाँ हाँ
Okay.
हाँ.
Jnananteham savijnanam. Just imitate me, my chanting. Jnanan.
ज्ञानन्तेऽहं सविज्ञानम्
Good.
इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः
Hmm.
यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत्.
No, Amma, please. Yajgnatva. Yajgnatva.
यज्ञात्वा
Neha
नेह
bhuyonyat.
भूयोऽन्यत्
Then
ज्ञातव्यं वशिष्यते.
I got the problem. What you will do, you will split it. Jnatavyam, split it. Jnatavyam, then avashishyate. Avashishyate.
वशिष्यते.
Chant the last quarter only. Chant with me.
ओके.
Jnatavyam
ज्ञातव्यम्
avashishyate.
अवशिष्यते.
Chant thrice.
ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते. Is it okay? ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते. ज्ञातव्यम् अवशिष्यते. अच्छा स्वामी जी, एक बात पूछनी थी आपसे मेरे को. जैसे हम लोग जैसे वो आता है, संयम को हम संवम बोलते हैं ना, संयम बोलते हैं, संयम नहीं बोलते ना. तो हर एक में जहां माँ आएगा वहां औ आएगा. इदम जैसे आपने मेरे को बोला, मैंने बोला इदम, तो इसको आपने बोला इदम बोलो. तो हर एक में जहां पे ऊपर बिंदी होगा, म का अनुस्वार होगा, वहां पे औ आएगा.
Nikita, answer her.
After the Anuswara,
हिंदी में बोलो. हिंदी में बोलो.
यहाँ इदम की जगह इदम इसलिए होगा क्योंकि द के ऊपर जो बिंदी है, अनुस्वारा है, उसके बाद में वकार है.
हाँ, got it. I understood. I know. Understood. Thank you. I missed it. Thank you. Got it, Swamiji. I missed this.
So Rakshamma, if next time anyone asks, you will teach.
हाँ, ठीक है. No problem.
In this way, we will develop, you know.
हाँ जी.
Swamiji, but very
Answer, then
Swamiji, is very confusing. All the schools, all different. There are so many different ways people chant. They say idam, and idam, like idam is also right. Idam is also
I
right.
told every schools have one point, there is no doubt. That is, instead of Anushwara, if you chant Makara, there is no problem. But Krishna Yajurvedya, the most renowned thing, Shankaracharya ji was the follower of Krishna Yajurvedya. And we are the follower of Adi Shankaracharya ji. In Sringeri Mutt, you will find this sort of chanting. Okay, clear. Bimlamma. Rakshamma, please mute yourself. Bimlamma, unmute yourself. Yes, thank you.
Manushyaana sahasreshu.
Manushyanam.
Manushyanam sahasreshu. Kaschid yatati siddhaye yatatamapi siddhanam. Kaschinma veti tattvaha.
Kaschin
Kaschinmam veti tatas.
No. আমি যতটা বলবো ততটাই বলতে হবে। Kaschinmam vetti tattvataha tattvatah 5 times, chant 5 times. Tattvataha Wonderful. So last line. Kaschinvam vetti tattvataha. First listen. Amma, first listen, then chant. Kaschinmam vetti tattvataha.
Kaschinmam veti tattvatah.
Wonderful. And you are so nicely progressing. I'm very happy with your chanting. Okay.
Thank
and
you.
whoever are there, rest of the people also will chant, okay? But in unmute condition. Okay. Then Usham. Unmute yourself. Amma, first unmute yourself. Yes.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः वायुः मनो बुद्धिरेव च
Sorry. I didn't get it. Bhumi rapo nalo vayuhu.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः मनो बुद्धिरेव च
Amma, kham mano buddhi. Kham is there. And vayuhu.
वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च
Yes.
अहंकार इत्यं मे भिन्ना
No, ma. You have to, when I will split, you have to sign, give a sign. Okay. You chant after me. Ahankara iti yamme.
अहंकार इति यं मे
Bhinna prakriti rashtadha.
भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
Wonderful. Can you chant once more the whole sloka?
अहंकार इति
No, whole sloka. Bhumi rapo nalo vayuhu.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इति यं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
Wonderful.
अपरे
Ma. Next one is Sandhya. So please, whenever in the sloka, जहां मैं split कर रहा हूं, आप indicate करके रखिए किताब में, नहीं तो आप नहीं कर पाएंगे. Okay. Sandhya Amma. Usha Amma, can you mute yourself, please? Yes.
अपरेयमितस्त्वन्याम् प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे पराम् जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेतन्धार्यते जगत्.
Wonderful. But Jagat will be very fast. Maybe
ययेदन्धार्यते जगत्.
Jagat, Jagat.
जगत्.
Thank you. Nikita. Sandhya Amma, please mute yourself.
एतद्योनिनि भूतानि.
Oh. Etad yo ni. Yes.
एतद्योनीनि भूतानि सर्वाणीत्युपधारय अहं
Kritsnasya.
कृत्स्नस्य
5 times chant first. Kritsnasya.
कृत्स्नस्य 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 अहं कृत्स्नस्य जगतः प्रभवः प्रलयस्तथा.
Wonderful. Thank you. Jetli ji. Nikita, mute yourself. Okay.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोक्तं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव.
Protam. Prottam nahi. Protam.
प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव.
No. Sutre. Su is dirgha u. Sutre manigana.
सूत्रे
Oh.
मणिगणा.
Su will be prolonged.
सूत्रे मणिगणा इव. सूत्रे मणिगणा इव.
Wonderful. Thank you. Anshu Amma.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्योः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु.
No. Suryayoho.
सूर्ययोः प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दः खे पौरुषं नृषु.
Yes. Your pronunciation is correct. But Amma, you have to cope up with the tune. Anushtup Chanda has a typical type of tune. Raso hamapsu kaunteya prabhasmi shasi suryayoho pranavah sarva vedeshu shrabdah khe paurusham. Got it? That tune you have to cope up. Then mistakes will be less.
Okay. Yes, Swamiji.
Can you try once?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय.
No. Rasoham apsu kaunteya.
रसोऽहमप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययोः प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दः खे पौरुषं ऋषु.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Swamiji.
In each and everyone is potentially divine. Everyone can chant.
Thank you, Swamiji.
But you know, in the class, you all become baby. What can I do? Hey, Rimika, chant.
पुण्यगंध प्रीति
no punyo
पुण्यो पुण्यगंध प्रीति
no punyo
पुण्य
ও বাবা ও পরিষ্কার ও পুণ্য নয় পুণ্য গন্ধ
पुण्य पुण्यगंध पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपोतिषु
না ভূতেষু জীবটাকে ওপর দিকে করে দিতে হবে তবে এই উচ্চারণটা হবে তুই দন্তেস্ব উচ্চারণ করছিস
सर्वभूतेषु
হ্যাঁ
तपश्चास्मि
তপস্বিষু সিষু yes
तपस्विषु
thank you the next one who is in Hariom I don't know who is she I want to see the face please unmute yourself after Rimika who is there Hariom name is there no Suchitra Amma you are not please unmute it is Pratima ji Pratima Agarwal yes Sam
बीजं मा सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनं बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमताप्तस्मि
बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि
बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्विनामहम्
वंडरफुल थैंक यू ज्योति जी
कैसे करें बात जी
हाँ करिए कीजिए
बीजं मा सर्वभूतानां
नो फिर से करने से गलत नहीं कर सकते बीजम माम सर्वभूतानाम
बीजं मां सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनं बुद्धिर्बुद्धिमतामस्मि तेजस्विनामहम्
वंडरफुल
ठीक है स्वामी जी
yes अरे बाप रे wonderful you chanted wonderful Jyoti ji is it
Yes,
possible
sir.
for you to chant
सर मैं कोशिश कर सकती हूँ आप हेल्प करना
हाँ from first sloka
फर्स्ट श्लोक
yes can you switch on your video or it is not possible right now
सर वेट सर
yes
सर आप बोलिए ना फिर मैं बोलूंगी
okay Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha
ओम श्री परमात्मे नमः
Paramatmane Namaha
परमात्मने नमः
Param
परम
Atmane
आत्मने
Namaha
नमः
Atha
अथ
Saptama
सप्तम
Adhyayah
अध्यायः
Shri
श्री
Bhagavan Uvacha
भगवानुवाच
Maya Sakta
मय्यासक्त
Manaf Partha
मनास्पार्थ
Manaf Fa
मना
Partha
मनापार्थ
Yogam
योगम
युञ्जन्
गुञ्जन्
मदाश्रयः
मदाश्रयः
असंशयम्
असंशयम्
समग्रं माम्
समग्रं माम्
यथा
यथा
ज्ञास्यसि
नास्यसि
तच्छृणु.
तच्छृणु.
Can you chant by your own the first sloka only? Maya Sakta. Will you try? I will help you.
मय्यासक्तमनाः
Mana Partha. Do you have any
मय्यासक्तमनाः
pencil or pen with you? You should sit from the next class where I will stop. You will give a split sign. Okay? It will help you in chanting. Maya Saktamanah Partha.
मय्यासक्तमनाः पार्थ
Yogam Yunjan Madashrayah.
योगं युञ्जन् मदाश्रयः
Asamsayam Samagram Mam.
असंशयं समग्रं माम्
Yatha Jnasyasi Tachruno.
यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु.
Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Anuradha Amma.
Second shloka.
Second sloka.
ज्ञानं तेहं सविज्ञानम् इदं वक्ष्याम्यशेषतः यज्ञात्वा नेह भूयोऽन्यत् ज्ञातव्यमवशिष्यते.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Suchitra Amma.
स्वामी जी हमने आज ठीक से सुना नहीं, लेट ज्वाइन किया था.
ठीक है, I will help you.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चित् यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः.
Wonderful. That is the beauty of the chanting, you know. If you can know the roots of nook and corner of the chanting, you can chant any sloka. Because whenever in further you will chant any Sanskrit script, I will not go with you. You have to chant your own. Through Gita, I am chanting you, I am teaching you the chanting technique. Through Gita chanting. So don't take it that I know Gita chanting for several years. No. You have to know the nook and corners of the chanting technique. Then you can chant any text, any Sanskrit text. That is our target. Okay. So wonderful. Thank you. Shannon, will you try or not? It is her bedtime. Okay. Agarwal ji, will you try?
I am coming and going, Swamiji, so please excuse me, I am not.
Okay. Maitreyi, will you try? Maitreyi? Maitreyi, will you try? Unmute karo aage. ভিডিওটা খোলো, ওই ভিডিও সাইন ওখানে আঙুল দাও, আর যেখানে লাল হয়ে আছে এমনি মাইকের সাইন সেখানে একটা আঙুল দাও। হ্যাঁ, এবার করো।
ভূমিরাপন হল
পাচ্ছি না মহারাজ।
আচ্ছা, দেরি করে এলে কি করে পারবে? ক্লাস যখন শেষ হয়ে গেছে তখন তুমি যদি জয়েন করো তাহলে কি করে পারবে? পারার জন্য তো প্রথম থেকে অ্যাটেন্ড করতে হয়। তুমি এত ব্যস্ত যে ক্লাসে আসতে পারো না সময়। আর প্রত্যেকটা মানুষের কোনো কাজ নেই, তারা ঠিক সময় চলে আসে। চ্যান্ট করো আমার সঙ্গে। ভূমিরাপো নলো বায়ুঃ।
ভূমিরাপহ নালো বায়ুঃ।
না, হয়নি। ভূমিরাপো
ভূমিরাপো
নলো বায়ুঃ।
নালো বায়ুঃ।
খম মনো
খং মনো
বুদ্ধিরেব চ
বুদ্ধিরেব চ
অহংকার
অহংকার
ইতি মে
ইতি ইয়ং মে
ভিন্না
ভিন্না
প্রকৃতিরষ্টধা।
প্রকৃতিরষ্টধা।
চ্যান্ট করো নিজে।
ভূমিরাপো নল বায়ু খং মনো বুদ্ধিরেব চ অহংকার ইতি অং মে ভিন্না প্রকৃতিরষ্টধা।
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 5 বার বলো।
প্রকৃতিরষ্টধা 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 প্রকৃতিরষ্টধা।
গুড।